get out of the way of this.
No squinting, no.
Basically what we shot was a Palmetto State Armory AR-10 chambered in 308 Winchester, and attached to that was a Vortex 1 by 24 power AR-BDC3 Reticle. A lot of words. And then we also shot the Canik TP9 SFx, I believe it was. And both of those shot very well. Again, I'll explain a little bit more as we get into the video, but also wanted to talk a little bit about one of my upcoming videos involving this beauty right here, which you'll all recognize as the infamous Ruger SP-101 with the 3-inch barrel, 5-shot. As you know, I've said many times I'm partial to revolvers, and this is no exception. So we'll be doing a little talk and shoot on this as well. And two, if you like my content, if you would, give it the thumbs up button, because that does help with the YouTube algorithm. It helps to get my content out to more people as I try to grow the channel. Never inhale. So until next time, carry safely and enjoy the video. Hey folks, so yeah, just a little range report here a couple days later. As you can see, the weather is quite nice for up here in the Northeast. Oh, this is hysterical.
Oh, okay, Adam. Yeah, we'll work with Adam.
I think it looks great with the scope mounted on there. Oh, this is the 1 by 24 AR-BDC3 Reticle. There's the infamous 308 Winchester cartridge. I believe this is at 25 yards. Takes a few shots. I don't think he shot more than 10, 12 rounds.
You see it?
Left and right.
Left, right. It looks like it's
windage
pretty
was good right out of the box.
Yeah.
Just had to adjust for elevation once or twice. So this has a Vortex Strike Eagle Scope with a 1 by 24 magnification. The reticle is an AR-BDC3, and the parallax setting is fixed at 100 yards. The adjustment graduation is coming away,
at the top of the top
and the overall weight is 17.6 ounces, and the length is 10 inches. Still at 25 yards.
The first 2 shots that came out of that gun.
As you can see, the snow is melting. Just a little bit left there in the valley, very slippery. Weather's actually getting nice up here in the Northeast, which is something to look forward to get out and do more.
It's inside the circle. Tell me when.
When?
Yeah, those shots were
Oops, at 50 yards now.
We're at.
I think you made one adjustment at 50 and got a decent group. There's the Canik TP9 SFx. Canik's quite popular. People tend to like them. I wouldn't carry this because it's a little bit too big for my liking, but fits well in the hand for sure. It's got a nice little Vortex Venom red dot on it.
I had
They take some abuse.
I mentioned it. So.
No. The only
18
thing
shot,
is, I can't
18
get
round
myself
magazine.
to accept a red dot on
I believe.
on a handgun. I just
I'll put the specs at the end on this one too.
That's why you co-witness your iron sights.
yeah.
Right.
25 yards.
Look at the recoil on that. Yours is quite a difference.
Yeah.
There's no squinting, no.
So hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to make more like this at the range with the warmer weather coming. But until next time, take care.
Clearly not set up for a left-handed shooter.